So this is our 2-axis positioner in action. So this axis here is fully synchronized with the robot. All the controls are done through the tablet teach pendant. So this is a full robotic welding positioner on a Cobot. So it's got the Fanic servo motors, which are controlled as additional axes of the robot. And we can see that the positioner allows the robot to access the welds in the most optimal position. And that means that your operator doesn't have to constantly flip the part over so the robot can reach the welds. In this demonstration here on a customer's part, the robot's welding around the top. Once it's finished doing that weld, the rotator is going to automatically flip the part over so the robot can weld on the other side. So you can see here the part's being flipped over, and the part's going to be repositioned accurately every single time. Here comes the robot back in. It's going to weld the weld on the other side. And if we come over here and have a look at the programming, you can see it's a simpler tablet interface. There's no actual programming. It's simply graphical icons on the screen which are dragged and dropped. So the part's finished. So this is what you can only get from one of our synchronized positioners. If you need any further information, please feel free to get in touch. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day and happy welding.